Alright, y'all, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute, but anyway, it's Saturday morning, and we're getting ready to go to another private testing tune with the black turbo truck after a few changes. New short block. Let me get this online. New short block. New Avco shots by Madman, all four corners, and a few other little things, nothing major. We're heading in here. He's about to pull up, and we're going to do a front end alignment real quick, and yeah, go from there. Get the lights on. There we go. Oh yeah, he's got a new trailer. We'll do a little tour of that real quick too, and we'll get going. So y'all stay tuned. Is that all that thing's got? Huh? Is that all that thing's got? No. What's up, dude? I like them glasses, buddy. You got me a pair? Yeah? Those are cool, dude. Check out this new trailer. Not too bad. Nice and new and clean. Yeah, do an alignment real quick and load her back up. Alright, we got the alignment done. About to load her up. Got alignment as close as we can. We're all out of camber adjustment, you know, being that it's that low, but about to load her up and see what we can do. Here we is.
We made it.
Finally. No shit. Oh, that truck unloaded real quick. Go over a few things, get a tech in. Old boy Jake. What was that? Is it supposed to smoke like that? I think you're burning oil, sir. Alright, getting ready for first test it. Just hope it hooks up and goes down and everything works right. Don't have to go fast. right, pass one down. Slow. I mean, not slow, but slow. Didn't shift again, but we reset the linkage. Pretty sure it was that. Putting a little more power in it, although he forgot to hit the damn logger. So I have no data. But anyway, it's clean, clean leaving, slower 60, 122. So gonna add a little power, not gonna mess with any shock track gut. And just hopefully it's the logger and hopefully it shifts to third this time. And if so, we'll get that data and hopefully put some power to it. If everything looks good, we might wait till the sun starts to go down and get that track temperature down and let that glue tighten up a little bit instead of just wasting fuel and all that on a hot track surface. But anyway, we'll play it by ear and see. Oh, I've been looking for that all week. I could have used it at least 3 to 7 times. Ooh, bro, that Polaroid?
You look good, don't you? Take a picture of it. You look good.
Pause for the frame. What's up? Hey, Daddy said take this to the side of his truck, buddy.
Oh, that'd be bad.
But earlier I came to find my drink real quick, and I wasn't paying attention. And I walked up and I opened the door of your truck, and I'm like, "Where's my fucking Powerade?" So I don't remember this being that many girly shit in here. I know Tim's a little girl sometimes, but shit. I'm like, oh fuck, wrong black Ford. It's this one.
You see the
It did.
good pass.
Might need to bump it up on the seal pad.
We'll set this on track. Give me 1 second. We're going to pee, okay?
What? It shifted.
How slow was it?
Slow.
Slow?
5098.
5098. That's what I figured. 1, 2, 3. So we slowed down on the 60. But look at the mile an hour though. That's what I was looking for. All right, temp number 3. We put a little power back in it. Sun's going down. Track temp's going down. I'm sure we're gonna see if she does. It might go out the back. I don't know. right, so as y'all heard, that little pop hit the limiter because it didn't shift again. He coasted in. We got a phone call, come pick him up, drug it back. He said he had no gears or nothing. We checked linkage, just double checking stuff, and nothing. So loaded up in the trailer. He got it back home. He could not pull it out of the trailer without dropping the shaft because it was hung up. It moved forward, it'll roll forward, but not backwards. So obviously something hard part in the trans, definitely broke at the top of second gear. You know, who knows, brag drum. Anyway, it's back out on the way to FTI for the third time. I don't know, I lost count now. It's a great trans and all, it's just not meant for what we're doing. If it was in a 2,800 pound car, cool, it'd probably last a good long time. But in a 4,400 pound truck with that kind of power, even turned down, you know, no timing, boost obviously down a little bit. We're just taking it soft on a fresh motor and fresh suspension and all. You know, we're still seeing like 1,900 and something pounds of fuel flow, only 85. So for the people who know, y'all can do the math on that. But yeah, so see what they say is wrong, and probably just have to go back to the drawing board on something a little bit better. Like I said, it's not a bad trans, it's a good trans. FTI builds a good trans. It's just, we're asking too much of it. So we're gonna have to make a step up, which, you know, I predicted, obviously, but we're trying to make it work. But this whole going out and making one or two passes on it is, it's not gonna do us any good. We obviously can't go racing like that. And it's not good on anything else, you know. We keep spinning it up and hitting the motor like that. It's not gonna live forever either. But anyway, on the plus side, suspension worked okay. You know, for fresh out the gate, Madman had us with the settings on the shocks out the box, and that's what it was. We haven't touched them yet, so we haven't put the power back to it yet, but still it was a 120 on the back tire on that last one, 121 or 122 with a lot of timing retard on the launch and a slow ramp back in, lower boost on the leave, like 10 pounds, and just not a whole lot of power in it. Not a lot of leave RPM, like 3,900 or so. So obviously that was good. Plenty of oil pressure, which almost too much oil pressure. We're gonna have to back that down some slowly, which I'd rather start high and back down instead of being too low and have to work our way up. You know, for those who don't know, dry sump or external pump has an adjuster on it. So we'll slowly try to take that away some, see what we can do. But anyway, yeah, hopefully this next video of this truck is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 shifts, and we'll go from there. But anyway, be sure to like, subscribe, share, tell me what y'all like to see more of, how y'all feel about how the videos are put together, stuff like that. I got a couple more things coming out soon. We've just been slowly getting footage and waiting on parts and stuff like that. But yeah, anyway, let me know.